What if I told you there's a natural way to boost your energy, stay focused, and fight fatigue, without the crash that comes with coffee? Deep in the Amazon rainforest grows a powerful seed that has been fueling indigenous tribes for centuries. Meet Guarana, a hidden gem packed with long-lasting energy and brain-boosting benefits. But don't be fooled, this isn't your typical caffeine fix. Stick around and I'll show you why Guarana is so much more than just an energy booster. Guarana, Paulinia cupana, a climbing plant native to the Amazon rainforest, is best known for its seeds, which contain one of the highest natural concentrations of caffeine found in any plant. But don't let the caffeine content fool you. This herb has more to offer than just an energy jolt. It's a staple of South American herbal medicine, and its use goes way beyond the typical energy drink. The indigenous tribes of Brazil were the first to discover the power of guarana, and they've been using it for centuries. They would grind the seeds into a powder, mixing it with water to create a potent drink. Not only did they use it for energy, but it was also believed to have mystical properties, helping them with endurance in their daily tasks and during long hunting trips. Imagine that, a plant that was revered as a source of vitality, strength, and even spiritual clarity. So, what makes guarana so special? Well, its magic lies in its composition. Guarana seeds are packed with natural caffeine, but they also contain theobromine, a compound found in chocolate, and tannins, which slow the absorption of caffeine, giving you a sustained release of energy rather than a sudden crash. This makes guarana a more balanced source of stimulation compared to your regular cup of coffee or energy drink. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants, which can help fight free radicals in your body. Now let's talk about the health benefits. For starters, guarana is a great natural stimulant, perfect for anyone needing an energy boost without the jitters. It can enhance focus and cognitive performance, which is why it's often included in supplements aimed at improving mental clarity. But that's not all. Guarana has been shown to support weight loss efforts by increasing metabolism and fat burning. It can also reduce fatigue and improve physical performance, which is why it's popular among athletes. But there's even more. Guarana has been linked to reducing the risk of heart disease by improving circulation, and some studies suggest it may even help with memory and mood regulation. You may have heard of guarana in your favorite energy drinks, and that's because it's known for delivering a fast yet smooth burst of energy. But here's a secret: guarana works wonders as an herbal tea as well. Steeped into a soothing yet energizing infusion, it provides a gentle pick-me-up that's perfect for those who want the benefits of caffeine without the harshness of coffee. Imagine sipping a warm guarana tea in the morning, giving you the energy to power through your day without any crashes. So, whether you're reaching for an energy drink or making your own herbal infusion at home, guarana is an herbal gem you don't want to overlook. It's natural, sustainable, and packed with benefits that go way beyond just staying awake. Want to learn how to make your own guarana tea? Or perhaps you want to try it in a new energy-boosting smoothie? Let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed learning about this powerful herb, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health tips, because your body deserves the best, naturally.